Question number 4, prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to sec theta plus tan theta, which is very important and maximum times repeated in SE examination. Look at here, tan, this is in the form of tan a plus b. Tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to tan theta sec theta plus tan theta. We have to prove. Take LHS here. LHS tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. This is in the form of tan a plus b, and the formula of tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. If you don't know the formula, visit on my YouTube channel, visit on my playlist. There is the formula, complete formula of trigonometry you will get there. So tan a plus b, I'm going to use here formula, and the formula is tan a pi by 4 plus tan b, b means theta by 2, a means pi by 4, b means theta by 2. Tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2, 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta by 2. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now I told you before also, tan value of pi means 180, 180 by 4 means 45, and tan 45 value is 1. So we can write here 1 plus tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 means sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So tan theta by 2 means what? Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So we can write here sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. 1 minus tan pi by 4 means, I told you before also, 1, and here tan theta by 2 value is sin theta by 2 using formula, and cos theta by 2. Now we have to take LCM, and the LCM is cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2 LCM, cos theta by 2 into 1, cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Here also we have to take LCM. LCM is cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2 into 1, cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. So you can see here, denominator cos theta by 2, denominator cos theta by 2 we can cancel, and the remaining is cos theta by 2. You can write here cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Hope you understand up to here. In question number 3 also same like this we're done. Now we have to rationalize cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Here is minus, so we have to multiply by plus, cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2, and here cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now you can see here numerator both are same. This is in the form of a plus b, here also a plus b, so we can write a plus b whole square. A into a, it will be a square. So here also same, we can write cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square, and in denominator you can see this in the form of a plus b, a minus b. This is definitely formula of a square minus b square. In the place of a, here is cos theta by 2, and in the place of b, here is sin theta by 2. So we can write cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, because this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, formula of a square minus b square. So we can write here cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Hope you understand up to here. After this, you can see here this one in numerator, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. In the place of a, here is cos theta by 2, and in the place of b, here is sin theta by 2. So we can use here formula of a plus b whole square. So cos square theta by 2 plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab, 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. a square plus 2ab plus b square in the place of a cos theta by 2 in the place of b sin theta by 2. Now you can see cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. This is the formula of cos A. Cos A formula we have, which I already provided you. Cos A formula is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So we can write here cos theta. And if you don't know the formula of trigonometry, you cannot solve this type of identities, trigonometry identities. It's very difficult. So before doing this type of problem, try to learn formula. Don't learn together, but at least per day you can learn 5 to 10 formulas. Okay, after this, look at here now. You can see here, this is in the form of sin square theta by 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It means value of theta, what is here? Theta by 2. So sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1. So we can write here 1. Write down here 1. Plus, now you can see here 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Formula of what? Sin theta. Sin A formula is what? 2 sin A cos A. So sin 2A formula is what? 2 sin A cos A. Sin A formula is what? 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. So what is here? Same thing, 2 sin A by theta cos A by theta. Formula of sin theta. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So we can write here sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, and when you sin square theta by 2 cos square theta by 2 means 1, and this is the formula of cos theta which I wrote here. Now what we have to prove? You have to focus in RHS also. What we have to prove here? Sec theta plus tan theta. So we have to try to convert slowly in the form of sec theta and tan theta. Now can we convert this in the form of sec and tan? Look at here. 1 by cos means sec, sin by cos means tan. So we have to separate this 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta plus sin by cos means tan theta. RHS proved. Hope you understand this question.